very nice people. So today we got a pool. It is the, I'm gonna bust my ass doing this. It's the 10 feet 30 inches. And it comes with the filter pump and everything that you see here. Yep. And now we're gonna do the unboxing. My boyfriend helped me out a little bit with getting this open. It's a little hard to open. And inside we have 2 other boxes. See if I can get these out. So maybe a lot more boxes. This one, this is the, I have no idea what this is. I think that might be the pump. These are the metal frames. These are the attachments. Let's see that go with the water pump. Or the filter pump, sorry, more attachments. More attachments. There's the cool part. Instructions on how to do everything and coupons and more of the cartridges. And we also got a full cover included. On here we have the T connectors, and I just dropped something. I'm not sure what this is for. There is 10 C connectors. There are the pins and the stands that go on the bottom of the pool. And we have the metal frames, which I believe are 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then in this one we have the filter pump, and then we have the tubes that connect to the filter pump. And as we go, you'll see more of us setting it up. Here we're opening it up. See how big it is. It's actually huge. It is actually pretty huge, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. And as I go, we'll keep showing you more. And this is how it looks assembled. My doggy, my pool liner.